Reading quiz for children. Write S in the box if the word has a short sound. Write L if it is a long sound. Children, you may write your answers on your pad paper. If you're done, let's check your work. Cat? The answer is S. Cat is a short sound. Cake. The answer is L because cake is a long sound. Van, short sound. Tag, short sound. Now, let's go to the next page. You may write your answer on your pad paper. If you're done, let's check. Cab, S, short sound. Bag, S, short sound. Cage, L, because it is a long sound. Jar, S, short sound. Next page. Write your answers on your pad paper. Let's check if you're done. Can, S, short sound. Fan, S, short sound. Bat, S, short sound. Cabe, L, long sound. Next. Let's check. Big, L, long sound. Keg, S, short sound. Pen, S, short sound. Men, S, short sound. Another one. Let's check. Fed, S, short sound. Seed, L, long sound. Leg, S, short sound. Den, S, short sound. Another one. Let's check. Peg, S, short sound. Tent, S, short sound. Leg, S, short sound. Send, S, short sound. Next. Fell, S, short sound. Sell, S, short sound. Bell, S, short sound. Feed, L, it's a long sound. Let's do more. Tin, S, short sound. Kite, L, long sound. Pig, S, short sound. Sit, S, short sound. Let's check. Wig, S, short sound. Bin, S, short sound. Line, L, long sound. Mit, S, short sound. Cone, your answer is L, it's a long sound. Cob, S, short sound. Hot, S, short sound. Sun, S, short sound. Up, S, short sound. Boat, L, long sound. Log, S, short sound. Pot, S, short sound. Let's do more. Don't forget to post this video if you need more time. If you're done, let's check. Sun, S, short sound. Hot, S, short sound. Hug, S, short sound. Q, L, long sound. Next, let's check your word. Cat, S, short sound. Cake, L, long sound. Van, S, short sound. Tag, S, short sound. Now let's have another activity. Write L in the box if the word has a long sound. Write S if it is a short sound. You can pause this video if you need more time. Write your answers on your pad paper. If you're done, let's check. Bake. L, it's a long sound. Cake. L, long sound. Fat. S, short sound. Lake. L, long sound. Next page. You may pause this video. Let's check if you're done. Pail, L, long sound. Pat, S, short sound. Sail, L, long sound. Nail, L, long sound. Next page. Again, pause this video. If you're done, let's check. Cave, L, long sound. Rave, L, long sound. Wave, L, long sound. Can, S, short sound. Next. Let's check. Here, L, long sound. Deer, L, long sound. Pear, L, long sound. Wet, S, short sound. Another one. Let's check. Pet, S, short sound. Wick, L, long sound. Seed, L, long sound. Lick, L, long sound. Next. Let's check. Time, L, long sound. Pig, S, short sound. Line, L, long sound. Tin, S, short sound. Let's check. Fire, L, long sound. Wit, S, short sound. Sun, S, short sound. Wire, L, long sound. Let's do more. Pause this video again. If you're done, let's check. Myth, S, short sound. Line, L, long sound. Mime, L, long sound. Height, L, long sound. Let's check again. Tube, L, long sound. Mule, L, long sound. Tune, L, long sound. Tub, S, short sound. Do this another activity. Read the following words. Write S in the box if the word is a short sound and L if it is a long sound. You may pause this video if you need more time. If you're done, let's check your work. Number 1, the answer is S, short sound. 2. Cake, long sound. 3. Bag, short sound. 4. Seed, long sound. 5. Net, short sound. 6. Peel, long sound. Next, let's check. Number 7. Kite, long sound. 8. Lip, short sound. 9. Bike, long sound. 10. Bell, short sound. 11. Sail, long sound. 12. Sun, short sound. More here. Let's check. Pot, S, short sound. Sail, L, long sound. Jug, S, short sound. Hill, S, short sound. Wig, S, short sound. Rope, L, long sound. You've done a great job.